Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a multi-step form in your WordPress website using Forminator plugin. I'm guessing you already have your Forminator plugin. If you don't have it, what you want to do is you go to um, your plugin section here, you click on add new, then then you search for Forminator here. So as you can see, this is already active, but if not, what you want to do is just click on install now. So when you click on install now, it's going to ask you to then activate it. So once you do that, you want to come back to your form. You scroll down on your sidebar here and look for where the Forminator plugin is on your own dashboard. So you want to click on forms here. So when you click on forms, what you want to do is you want to click on create. It's going to give you different create options here. So let's just use blank for this purpose. So one of the reason why I like the Formulator plugin is the versatility that the free plugin comes with. Most of these features are what you need to get a pro plan for in other WordPress form plugins. So let's just call this multi-step form. So let's just input a couple of fields here. Let's put name and email address. So let's do that. So to create the next step, what you want to do is you click on insert fields here, then you just click on page break. That's all. Like this is all. So, but what you want to you notice that before you added this page break, this paginization wasn't here. So let me remove this so you can see. As you can see, the paginization is gone. So I want you to take note of that. So let's put page break back. So let's add more fields here. So what else can we add here? We can add your website, name. Let's just put a select option here. So now we have the website and the select option. So for this, let's just put choose a size, for example. So for this, you can just choose, let's say, Excel, XXL, you understand, and so on and so forth. That's not what we're trying to do here. So to just make sure that we are on course, to make sure we're on the right path, let me click on preview here. So as you can see, page one, like this is actually quite sweet. Like so, what you then want to do is if you want to add, you can add as much pages as you want. So let's just add one more page here. So we can click on page break. So when you click on page break, let's add the last fields that we'll be adding for this tutorial. So we can put website and let's say address. So the address field usually comes with a lot of things that you might not need. So what you want to do is you click on address, then you're just going to choose the options that apply to you here. You understand? So you're just going to choose the option that applies to you on this side here. So now we are going to preview this again. We're going to have 3 steps. You understand? Page 1, page 2, page 3. So, but the thing now is the way it is at the moment, you can move to step 2 without filling in step 1. You understand? As you can see, you can do that. But this defeats the purpose of what you're trying to achieve here. You understand? So what we are going to do is we're just going to add some required conditions to this. So to do this, you're going to click on the field that you've selected here. So for the name, you're going to click on required. So you can add the error message here if it hasn't been put. You understand? So oh my God. So you click on required, then make sure you click on apply. So you click on required. You can add your error message here, whatever you want the error message to be. So you click on apply. So you do that for all your fields here. So you click on apply. So let's just breeze through that. So we've done that now. Let's preview this again. So as you can see, the condition has been set. So what you want to do now is I want you to take notice that this is page 1, page 2, and finish. Remember the paginization section that I spoke about before, this right here. So what you want to do is to change that page 1, page 2, and the finish section here. You want to click on paginization here. So you can name this whatever you want. You can name this step 1, step 2, finish, thank you, whatever you want. So um, you can do this as steps you can do this as steps, or you can do it as progress bar. So let's just use step here. So you can also hide the progress indicator, mind you, but I believe if you're doing something in steps, your audience or your audience should be able to know that what they are doing is actually in steps, you understand, so that they are prepared for the amount of information that they would need to input. So let's click on apply here, you understand. So if we are to do, I'm not going to waste time with the appearance section here, but what I like to do is I don't like this boring flat design here. I really don't. So what I prefer to do is I prefer to use this material design here, or you can even I prefer to use this material design here. So as you can see, this looks very fancy. So what I'm going to just do here is I'm going to click on publish. So once I publish this, I'm going to um, copy the short code. So now let's go into Elementor and actually build something. So I'm just going to delete all contents here. You understand? So I'm just going to um, click on this, going to drag in my header here. I'm just going to name it multistep. So I'm going to come back here, add some space around, give it a minimum height, and just basically choose a background for it. So um, so um, so to add the short code, I'm not sure if you're aware of this by now, but you're just going to click on going to search for short code here and put this in, and you're just basically going to paste in your short code here. So voila, that is basically all you need to do. So to change this colors to match your brand and all that, you are going to get that done in the appearance section here. There are various options for you to choose from, and if you like coding a bit, or if you like doing further customizations, you can just switch on the enable custom CSS here, you understand. Then you can go ahead and design however you want to design it. So basically that's for this. I have other videos that you can watch on how to use Forminator to achieve on how to use Forminator on your WordPress. So just going to click on update again, just in case I didn't save that. You understand? So this is how you add multi-step option to your Forminator WordPress plugin for your website. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did enjoy it, remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.